is for error message. That print to standard error. By default, it will also print to the terminal too if we don't redirect it. We can redirect using the right angle bracket. Let's call it redirect symbol. The file descriptor tool for redirecting error. So there is a process transactions script in the private bin directory. It accepts a path to CSV containing transactions data, positional argument. It prints modern transactions to standard out, all transactions to standard error. It accepts a path to CSV file. Okay. (2020) Standard in. Standard is the default place where programs read the input. It's just a stream of data that programs can read from as they run. It makes use of standard in to read your name and email. Okay. Take a closer look at the code. What command does it use to read from standard in? Piping. We can pipe the output of one program into the input of another program. The pipe operator takes the standard out of the program on the left and pipes it into standard in of the program on the right. Okay. So in the example, the program echo command sends. Have you heard the tragedy of that? What's this? Play quiz device to start that out. The WC command counts the number of words in the input it receives. The dash W flag tells WC to only count words. Use the grep command to find all lines in all of the transactions that include the word pop. We want to include all of the files in directory. I see. Recursive. Lowercase not the number one. Interrupt. Sometimes the program will get stuck and you want to stop it. Common reasons for this are you made a typo in the command and it's not doing what you want. It's trying to access the internet but you're not connected. It's processing too much data and you don't want to wait for it to finish. There's a bug in the program causing it to hang. In these cases, you can stop the program by pressing Ctrl+C. This sends a SIGINT signal to the program which tells it to stop. Inside the private printer, there's a program called malicious. Sounds scared, hey? We get another chest. See what's inside. Cure. Cure PID. Show all processes, including those owned by other user, and show extra information about each process. You did some digging and found out that the malicious program actually has another mode force. Oh no. What do I click? Pipe the output of this into Ah, check, check. Once you killed the program, you should see your original terminal window. Return to a new prompt because it stopped running the malicious program. Now that you have control of the terminal again, submit the message. Unix Philosophy. Simple set of principles that have guided the development of Unix-like operating systems for decades. Write programs that do one thing and do it well. Write programs to work together. Write programs to handle text streams because that's a universal interface. Grab to search for text and then pipe the output of grab into less display. A text stream is just a sequence of characters that can be read or written sequentially. In other words, a text stream is just text. Top. Package managers. A package manager is a software tool that helps you install other software. Its primary functions include downloading software from official sources, installing software, updating software, removing, and managing dependencies. It's a primary package manager for Ubuntu. That's it. Public. Package manager again. When you type a command like install Neovim, package manager will check to see if the package is already installed. If it's not installed, it will download the package from a repository. It will install the package on your computer. It will install any dependency that the package needs to run. It will add the package to your path if it should be there. Anti-package manager Webi lets you install command line tools directly from the web with no need for traditional package manager like apt or brew. You don't need to install Webi itself at all. Instead, you just run a shell command that downloads and runs a given tool's official installer script. It's not smart to pipe a shell script from the internet directly into your terminal, because that script could do malicious things. That said, as long as you're doing it via HTTPS and you trust the source, in this case with install.dev, it's not a big of concern. I see. Try running LSD with 3 flags. One of the coolest features of LSD is that you can view your files in a tree-like structure. Private. VS Code, fairly lightweight editor. It's easy to use. Set cursor. Wait, I don't have VS Code. Come on, I don't use VS Code. Okay. What's this? What is this course?